Hi guys, it's me, Gurong Gala, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, tara at samahan ninyo ako na manood at makinig sa isa na namang performance na talaga nga namang ating kamamanghaan. Pero bago natin ipagpatuloy ang video na to, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga videos natin. At eto nga, ang ating papanoorin at papakinggan ngayon ay nakuha ko at nakita ko sa kanyang TikTok account na talaga nga namang solido ang kanyang pagkakaawit nitong awitin na ito. Kaya naman wag na natin patagalin, sabay-sabay natin panoorin ang performance ni Alienet sa kanyang awiting When You Believe. Let's go!
Many nights we prayed
Wow.
with no proof anyone could hear. In our hearts a hopeful sound we barely understood. Now we are not afraid,
Ganda ng
although
kulot.
we know there's much to fear. We were moving mountains long before we knew we could.
Ang angas, ang ganda.
Oh, yes. There
Yay!
can be miracles when you believe. Though hope is frail, it's hard to kill.
Ang linis, ang smooth.
Who knows what miracles you can achieve when you believe? Somehow you will. You will when you believe.
Grabe yung pagkakulot. Galing.
In these times of fear, when breath so often proves in vain, hope seems like a summer bird so swiftly blown away. And now I'm standing here, my heart's so full I can't explain, seeking faith and speaking words I never thought I'd say.
Ang linis.
There can be miracles when you believe.
Galing.
Oh, hope is frail, it's hard to kill. Who knows what
Nice.
miracles you can achieve when you believe? Somehow you will. You will when you believe.
Galing yung pagkakakulot niya, nasa timing talaga.
Ooh, yeah.
Parang original, no? Parang di siya nahihirapan. Ang galing niya.
They don't always happen when you ask. Oh, and it's easy to give in to your fears. Oh, but when you're blinded by your pain, can't see your way safe through the rain. A small but still resilient voice says help is very near. Miracles when you believe, though hope is frail,
Galing.
Just believe you will when you believe.
Grabe, ang galing niya kumanta. Alam niyo itong video na to, isa lang tong patunay na hindi hadlang ang isang kapansanan para hindi mo maipakita kung anong talento meron ka. Kasi si Alienate niya, grabe yung kanyang talento. Sobra-sobra pa yung talento na meron siya. Hindi lang siya magaling sa pagkanta. 'Di ba? Alam niyo yun yung confidence na meron siya, hindi niya yun sinasabaliwala na kung saan dapat lang na talaga ipagmalaki niya kasi ito ay God-given talent. Kaya naman Alienate sa performance mo, ang galing-galing mo at ipagpatuloy mo lang yan at marami ka pa sanang taong mapasaya sa iyong talento. Kaya naman guys, kung gusto niyo pa ng mga ganitong content, huwag niyo kakalimutang mag-like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos natin. Yun lang. Thank you for watching.